Spring is just around the corner, so it is the perfect time to get your lawn in tip-top shape and kick weeds to the curb. I am going to show you how to use Bio Advanced, formerly Bayer, weed and feed for southern lawns. So this is going to help combat any weed problems that you might have in St. Augustine grass, Zoysia, or Bermuda. You do not want to use weed and feed for southern lawns by Bio Advanced on a Bahia lawn. The active ingredient in this granular is atrazine, which will burn any kind of Bahia lawn. If you have neighboring lawn that has Bahia in it, be sure you do not get this product in your neighbor's lawn or they will be very unhappy. Grass will be dead. It'll be horrible. So the best way to use the Bio Advanced Southern Weed and Feed is to obviously read the label first, but I'm going to walk you through it and then we'll apply it on a St. Augustine lawn. So if you have to mow, you can do that approximately 1 to 2 days before the application. And you don't want to use this product more than 2 times in any 12-month period. So we recommend to use it in the spring and then again in the fall to keep any weeds at bay. So I will go ahead and get started. We'll open the bag and then we will apply it in our Earthway spreader. Once we have the Bayer Advanced Weed and Feed for Southern Lawns in the spreader, we're going to change the application rate for this particular spreader to 15 pounds. And on the back of the package, it tells you exactly the distribution that you should use based on what kind of spreader that you have. So I've changed that to 15. And then we're going to go ahead and get started. It's recommended to apply the Weed and Feed for southern lawns when there's a light dew on the ground. That way it'll help it apply to the blade. After you apply the Bayer Weed and Feed for southern lawns, it's recommended to water it in after 1 to 2 days past the application. And that'll help the granular really get into the root system and kill any weeds that it comes in contact with. Once you are finished applying your weed and feed, you need to blow off any concrete pathways, patios, sidewalks. That way the material doesn't just sit on your driveway, which could potentially stain it. So we're going to go ahead and get cleaned up here.